Guys, check it out.
You've probably seen this video on social media, and this channel gained 2 out of 3K subscribers with just 73 videos, hit millions of views, and made thousands of dollars, all using AI. No filming, no actors, no editing, just one line of text. Here's how you can do the same in under 3 minutes. Google quietly launched a tool called Veo 3. It turns any sentence you type into a fully generated video. It adds voice, background, sound effects, all to everything. All you need is a little creativity. What used to take studios days to make now takes 60 seconds. Exactly how to use it. Free and unlimited. Step 1. Go to Google and search Google One. Step 2. Scroll to Google AI Pro plan. Step 3. Sign in with Gmail and start the 30-day free trial. Step 4. Now open Gemini. Step 5. Now here's the fun part. In the box, just type anything like a monkey in Gucci giving life advice, Bigfoot, vlogging about his heartbreak, a cat, running for president. The weirder, funnier, more emotional, the better. Click generate. Wait 1 minute. Boom. Your video is ready. You can preview it, download it, and post it anywhere. YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok. It's made to go viral. You can generate up to 5 videos daily per Gmail. Want more? Just use TempMail for unlimited accounts. It's all free and takes minutes. This is how creators are building faceless viral channels with zero editing. If you don't know how to use TempMail to get unlimited emails for free, just comment TempMail below. I'll make a full video tutorial for you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.